Hi, Henk Akmans here. Supply Chain Dynamics, Chapter 8, Sysdea Game Clip 8. Higher maximum capacity levels. As we saw in the previous clip, adjusting capacity quicker does help, and certainly in manufacturing, but that is really expensive. You could look at it in multiple ways. You spend more money, but also you make more money. So, in the end, what is better? Well, let's look at what would happen if not in the upstream design phases, but really downstream manufacturing, we would have more capacity available. Now, the max manufactured capacity is four. Four planes a month can be assembled. Let's increase that dramatically with 50%, and we're talking about a huge assembly and manufacturing capacity extra then, and this is hundreds of millions, if not billions more. What would happen? Well, and nothing happens for a while in tooling and in design, of course. It's really around here. But around here it does get interesting. We are about to start production. Um, and there we go. Manufacturing capacity is scaled up just as fast, but it gets a lot higher, which can go to always 6. That's nice. We also see that we produce more. We produce at a level of 6, and actually we scale down production sooner. So that's good. We sell more planes. We sell a whopping, well, there you go. What is it? 48 planes more. So around a quarter, 25% more planes. Uh, yeah, but we added 50% capacity in production anyway. So, well, it depends on, I suppose, the economics or whether or not that cost-wise would be a good idea. What I would like to point out is this point. We actually get, although we have a higher production capacity, we have also a much higher production work in progress. How can it be? Because we're supposed to be working faster and therefore WIP should be smaller. Well, that doesn't have to do with the production rate, because that is indeed higher, not the outflow, but the inflow is also a lot higher. We actually have more customers wanting our planes. And why is that then? Well, that we can see nicely up here. It's not about the prospects, it's really about the new orders that come in. We have, in the beginning of the program, we have more customers interested in us. And why is that? Well, that has to do with the delivery delay. The actual delivery delay is in the early stage of the program, when we have more capacity, a lot lower than, and therefore a lot more attractive to customers. That's also true in the perception, just the delayed effect. And look also at the cancellation rates. And the first period, when we have the huge amount of cancellations in the base case, those customers stay and actually become customers. We do have a higher but shorter wave of cancellations a few years later, but in the end, cumulatively speaking, we're much better off in this new model. So the interesting thing is that the biggest impact of the manufacturing capacity expansion is not so much that we produce more planes, but actually that we sell more planes, which may be an interesting thought.